Hey guys, this is George. I'm going to go over George's monthly budget spreadsheet and specifically how to copy your categories from one month to another. Currently I'm in the month of January and I've entered in some sample income categories and also some sample expense categories. So if you want to bring these categories into, let's say, the month of February, what you're going to do first is I like to turn on, up in the menu here, I like to go to View and click Headings so I can see that these numbered rows. And I'm going to do that in February. Go to View, Headings, and now I can see the numbered rows. I'm going to go back to January. So you need to copy the income categories first, and then the expense categories next. So let's assume that you want to copy all of these. So you're going to go to the very first one, which is in row 12, and you're going to select that range all the way down to row 31. Then you're going to go to the Home tab, Copy, click the month of February, go to the cell which is N12, then you're going to go to Home tab, click the down arrow here, below Paste, click Paste Special, and then click Values. Click OK. And then we're going to do the same thing with the expenses. We're going to go back to January. And go to the first expense category. And I'm just going to select that range all the way down to the bottom. Last item right here. And then we go back up to Home, Copy, click the month of February. I'm going to select the first cell, which is N33 in the expense categories. I'm going to click the down arrow under Paste, click Paste Special, Values, and click OK. And now you have all your expense categories and income categories in the month of February. So that's how you can move your categories from one month to another using the copy command and without having to retype them. So let's go back to January. And if you try to select this whole range, income and expenses, copy, go back to February, and if you try to paste it here, just like we did before, Paste Special, Values, OK, you're going to get a message that you have a protected cell. And the reason being is this particular cell right here is protected. So certain of these cells are protected because they have formulas in them. So that's why you need to do these group of cells when you paste it, because these are not protected. They're editable. And the same thing for this group of cells. So that's a basic overview of how you can copy your income and expense categories from one month to another.